Hey, what's going on, everybody, man? This is your boy Justin Kicks coming at you with another episode. Today I'm going to review a shoe that I've had sitting here at the house for a little while. It's actually a shoe that is for my wife, not for me. So you'll see it's a little small, but it's one that she had around and wanted, and I was able to scoop online, luckily, because I know a lot of people struck out with it. But it's the Yeezy Boost 380, the Mist. Like I said, it's been sitting here a while. It's like, man, let me go ahead and do a quick review on it. So let's get it out of the box and take a close look at it, man, or a closer look. Now, my first impressions of this shoe, like a lot of people with Yeezys, my first impressions, you know, I like the look of this shoe. I like the look of it. I mean, I'm just glad it gives you that same sleek look of the 350, but it's different, man. I know people are... You know, I've heard people complaining about how many 350s keep coming out and the colors and everything like that. But this one is different. I like the gum bottom sole on it. You got your Boost showing, of course. You got like the translucent midsole here, which I like that. And what I like about it is how it comes on up onto the sock material up here. So you can kind of see through it all the way around. And I like that. I like how that looks, man. It looks like good quality, how it's put together and everything. You know, pretty much. And like I said, I know a lot of people have seen this shoe, but how they'll look in a bigger size. But for her smaller size, this looks real good to me. In fact, let me pause that and come back and see if I can get the footage, because I think this also is supposed to. This is the reflective pair, so I need to show it to you with the reflection as well. So let me pause and then see if I can get that for you. There you go. There you can see the reflective, what it looks like with that flash on it, man. Now that's where the alien look really comes out of these bad boys. I mean, take a look at that. That's where it gets crazy. And you get to see it in that light, with that light hitting it like that. That's where, and I know they put the reflective version out and the regular version out, and the reflective usually go for a lot more. This is why, because if you had to choose between which one you could get, why would you not want the reflective version, man? That's crazy how that looks. I'm glad I almost forgot to do that, man. But there you go. You can see it with the reflection on. Let me see if I can turn that flash off real quick. Show you a little back and forth here. Hold on. There it is, back with the reflection off. See that? That's the reflection off right there. Crazy. Look good like that. Then let's hit this. Boom. There it is back. You know what I'm saying? It's wild. Absolutely wild. Reflection on, reflection off, reflection on. There you go. Reflection off. Bam. There it is off. So anyway, man, it's a good looking shoe. Let me turn it on one more time. Bam. It's crazy. It's crazy how that look, man. But anyway, there you go. So you can see it. Just popped it up there for you with the reflection on, and it's crazy, man. It's a crazy shoe. It's crazy what sneakers is coming to these days. And what's the real thing is like me being at the age I am, you know, 20 years ago, if you said we was gonna be wearing sneakers that look like this and liking them, I would have said you was crazy. But you know, times change, music change, everything changed. So it is what it is, man. But anyway, make sure every day I'm getting closer to that 1,000 subscribers. So make sure that you are subscribed to the channel. The only way to win, I'm going to be giving away that Nike gift card at 1,000 subscribers. The only way you can win is you have to be subscribed to the channel. So make sure you subscribe, and then when I put the video out, once I hit 1,000, I'll explain everything you need to do to be able to be eligible for that Nike gift card giveaway. Make sure you comment on this video if you do like the new Yeezy 380. Is there a Yeezy that's coming out that hasn't yet that you're looking forward to? Or are you tired of Yeezys altogether. I know some people are. And like I said, man, I appreciate everybody's riding along with me on this journey. And got some new stuff coming as far as merch and everything. Got a new logo coming that you'll be seeing real soon. And anyway, man, this is Justin Kicks, man. I'm out, and I'll talk to you later. Peace.